Roaring spring, Russians in March were covered by a black blizzard. So in the Russian north they call blizzards, accompanied by strong winds and high humidity. In the morning in Norilsk, the wind was blowing at a speed of 22 mph at a temperature of only -1 degrees, and air humidity, 100%, as if it were raining. Closer to noon, the wind increased to 26 mph. Bad weather paralyzed the work of the Norilsk airport. The movement of public transport was stopped. Schoolchildren remained at home. The wild wind blew the roofs of the houses. February and the beginning of March are traditionally considered the time of snowstorms in Norilsk, the Russian media write. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, stay connected and must subscribe my channel. Thank you.